Freaking catfish, bro. What the heck kind of instructions are these? 10 minutes later, and it's finally done. Oh shit, my life flashed before my eyes. These are these things that make your butt look bigger. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be cleaning my closet today. I told you guys like a year ago that I was gonna clean my closet, so I'm finally gonna clean it. Like, honestly, my closet has been way worse. So this is how my closet looks like right now. Yeah, okay, so this is what we're working with today. So as you guys can see, I have like my dresses and stuff hanging here. Up there I have like dresses that I don't really wear but I still want to keep because they're still good. Shorts and skirts here, jeans, and then over here I have jackets and stuff. I actually just installed that pole just a couple days ago. Yeah, now I have a place for my jackets. Originally they were all just sitting at the bottom of my closet. Okay, so my bottom part of the closet is a lot more messier, as you guys can see. This is where I keep all my crop tops. You guys can't really tell, but there's some sort of organization around here. This is my basket of clothes I just washed. This is my basket of sweaters. It's so messy. And then over here is my section of more crop tops. I just don't have enough drawer space, so I've just put them in these cubicle organizer bin stuff. And over there I have like clothes I'm gonna donate and just random ass clothes. I also need to take this box out. Just a box full of more clothes that need to be put away. Why is my teddy bear in here, bro? This is my friend's pillow. She left it here. I was not kidding when I said that corner is for random ass shit. Like, why is my blanket in there? I don't know. This is my underwear drawer. This is my drawer of bras and sports bras. I have shoes here. And in this little corner here, it somehow has become my spot of clothes you need to post in, but also clothes that I just can't hang. And then of course I have my hanger thing here. This is my cute clothes. I'm not really gonna touch it today because I usually put my newest clothes on here and it's currently updated. So obviously we're under quarantine, so I couldn't go and buy this drawer that I just bought, so I bought it off Amazon. I've actually bought so much stuff on Amazon since the quarantine because I can't go to the store. So this is how it looks like. It's really tiny and I bought it to put in my closet just so that I can have a place for like my socks and underwears and bras so that I don't have to put them on this cube thing anymore. I don't know, like since quarantine has been happening, I feel like I've been forced to like think of how I want to use my time wisely for the next couple of weeks. Oh! Bro, I thought they built it for me, dude. Freaking catfish, bro. What the heck kind of instructions are these? Okay. Screws. I really thought I wasn't gonna have to build anything. Wow. Like I was saying, like since quarantine has been happening, this is the first time in my life I feel so motivated for life. I want to go to California, guys. I want to go to LA like so bad. This year I'm planning to get a new car. Even though I just got my car last year, my parents bought me that one. I really want to buy like a car with my like own money. I feel like I would feel so awesome just to buy my own car. Oh my god, my heater has been on this whole time. Sorry about that. 10 minutes later and it's finally done. Everything's just gonna have to be thrown out. I have so much crap in my room. Check out my bush mark. Ew! Ah! Web. Oh! I feel like there's webs over here. So after Christmas, I bought this little thing here. This was originally $15. I think I only got it for like $3-4. So I'm already ready for next Christmas. Like, what is this? Ew. Look at this. I made this in freshman year of high school. It's so cringy, guys. Y'all see me? I thought I was cute, dude. That is me and Shar. We were kind of cute in this photo. Ew, look at me. Tip for people that are still in high school or people that are gonna go to high school. You guys should keep a bin and just keep it for memories in high school. I have a bin. I have like my middle school stuff in there. I have high school memories. It's just really cool to see them now, even though I just graduated last year. It's still cool to see memories from middle school. And make sure to join sports and clubs if you guys aren't in any, because those just make your high school experience so much better. Anyways, it's clean over there now. I'm gonna put my bras and stuff at the bottom. I'm gonna organize it like the Victoria's Secret places. So I'm gonna put them like, you know, like back to back. with the amount of crop tops I have, I don't even need bras. Like all I need are like nipple covers. Look what I found. These are these things that make your butt look bigger. Next thing, whoa! Oh shit, my life flashed before my eyes. So I'm just gonna organize my underwear drawer. I'll be right back. Anyways, in terms of upcoming videos, guys, I am literally so excited. I'm just ready to throw out some content for y'all because I feel like my content has been lacking. Like I want to change it up and, you know, see some new stuff. So we'll just see how this new Sandy works out. This new 2020 Sandy. Look at these socks. They're from Target. They're so cute. It only fits some of my socks. It was supposed to fit more. I'll put it behind it. Oh my god, it fits perfectly like Tetris. I knew this was gonna happen one day. I don't even know what I'm doing. Look at the top off. After some deep consideration, I'm gonna put my sweaters in here. What's crazy is that I literally bought 2 new packs of hangers and I'm already done with all of them. Still you said dreaming cause you're toxic, boy. I don't even gotta try. This is so messy. I have these berets. I think I'm gonna sell those on Poshmark. I'm gonna be selling this dress on my Poshmark too. And this dress. Probably gonna sell this dress too. It's super cute, but I've already worn it for one of my school dances. I think I'm gonna sell this dress here. This is this yellow one. This one's from JJ's house. If you guys are tiny people, this will fit you. If you're 5 feet, 4'11", literally this is your dress, okay? In a couple of weeks, I'm gonna be redecorating, remodeling. It's not really remodeling, but I'm basically gonna be using this space in my house to film videos and pose in clothes and stuff like that. So that'll probably be able to hold more stuff, more of my clothes, because I'm gonna have like a clothes hanger over there. So stay tuned for that video, unless it's already up. I'm not really sure. Alright you guys, so this is what I've done so far. So far I've put some stuff up there. I've decluttered the dresses I don't want, and then over here I've kind of just organized it a little bit, not really. Right here I just put jackets away. I put sweaters back there, and then around here I have like my, you know, undergarments. That little cubby right now is just gonna be for my sports bras and stuff like that. Right now this cubby right here is kind of empty. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. And then right here I have just like my crop tops and shirts that I don't feel like they're cute enough to hang, but I still wear them. And then back there I just got some random shit. So yeah, that's just how my closet is looking right now. And then over here, okay, so I have a pile of clothes I'm gonna sell. Yeah, I need to declutter that still. And then right here, I need to figure out what the heck I want to do with this. So I took all the sweatpants that were in here and the leggings and stuff, and I put them in this pink cubby. My sports bras and stuff will go there. So yeah, now I am an organized queen. So besides that, I don't have a lot of space for the clothes that I'm gonna be selling, so I'm gonna put them in a trash bag. Just gonna... Alright, so I decided to just put extra shoes in these cubbies, and so when you walk in, they're just all like that. So yeah, that's basically me organizing my little closet, and now it's very organized, at least to me. So that's that. This little corner here no longer has clothes just piling up. So yeah, that's basically me cleaning my closet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really short and boring, but I wanted to put this out there anyways. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me. Make sure to follow my social medias, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Mwah!
그대가 난 너무 좋았는데 너는 아니었던 것만 같은 게 난 싫어 너가 좋았던 걸 난 아직 기억해 되게 바보 같지만 널 바라보고 싶은 게 내 마음인데 넌 나를 보진 않아 대체 왜 my baby